Hi everyone, I'm just working on my wheelie bin Grim Reaper prop again. I've just added a proper floodlight to the inside of it. It's a 12 volt red floodlight. I did actually have that light in the bottom of the bin for Halloween night because I only just built this prop a few days beforehand. I didn't get a chance to mount it properly or do anything like that, so it didn't sort of shine up all that well because it was way in the bottom of the bin, sort of facing the wrong direction. So I'll just trigger it using the remote, like I did on the night. And you can see that red light there casts a bit of a shadow there, and it sort of lights up the back of the bin lid, the underside of it there. So I had to mount the light far enough down in the bin so it avoided the hands and the head of the Reaper prop. So that's sort of something you got to bear in mind when you're building stuff like that. So I'll just trigger it again and we'll see if we can go over and get a close-up of it. So the floodlight's down at the bottom. I actually, it originally had straight white LED eyes in that prop when I got it, but I'll put those little small doll's eyes over it because I reckon it makes him look even creepier. So I'll just trigger it again. So the action's quite smooth and it looks good with the light coming on there. So that's using one of my prop controllers that I've designed. It's an Arduino based sort of board with an Arduino Nano plugged into it, and it's got an RF remote board also plugged onto it and a relay board, so it's all working quite well. So all I need to do now is put a 24 volt DC to 12 volt DC converter in the bottom, so I can run longer cables out to this without as much voltage drop, and also mount the controller in the bottom properly. It's sort of all just sitting in the bottom of it at the moment, so I'll want to make that so that it's a bit rainproof, so that if it's wet on Halloween night and the bin opens and closes, the Reaper will get a little bit wet, but that's not a big deal. The linear actuator will be fine, and so we just need to make the actual prop controller a bit more weatherproof so it can stand a bit of light rain going into it. So that's it for now. Thanks.